that next stadium that we see with the white arches, that would be Lumen Field. Now that's home to our Reign FC. That's our women's soccer team. You might know Megan Rapinoe. She just retired there last summer I should say. Our Seattle Sounders, that's our men's soccer team. A lot of success there. And then our Seattle Seahawks, that's our NFL team. Couple Niners fans in the audience maybe? Yeah. Rams, okay. All right. Well, the stadium itself, it was built to be like an amphitheater. Now, unlike T-Mobile Park, where all the players and fans are always going to be pretty protected from the elements, Lumen Field here is exposed. So snow, ice, rain, all the players will get that. All the fans, mostly protected by the sides of that stadium. But like I said, built to be like an amphitheater and reflect the sound back onto the fields. They went a little overboard with this effect. Now, if you're a football fan, you might remember the Beast Quake run back in 2011. Marshawn Lynch, the running back for the Seahawks at the time, he took the ball 67 yards for the touchdown against the New Orleans Saints. This was in the wild card round of the playoffs. And he broke about 9 tackles along his way to the end zone there. It was a sold-out stadium, sold-out crowd. They were yelling so loudly, stomping their feet so much that the University of Washington registered a 2.1 magnitude earthquake, epicenter Lumen Fields. Now, Marshawn Lynch, his nickname was Beast Mode, so they nicknamed that the Beast Quake. That record held for a long time until a certain artist came through this last summer. Taylor Swift. Yeah, you guessed it. She registered a 2.5 magnitude earthquake at that same Lumen Field. These last 2 buildings that I'll point out off of our starboard side before